Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's session, I am going to discuss about the course called Biology for Engineers. In that, I am going to discuss about the topic carbohydrates, which comes under the biomolecules. First, let us see the introduction of biomolecules. Biomolecules are the molecules which is produced by living organisms and they are essential for life processes like reproduction, growth, and sustenance. These molecules are produced by the living organisms. The biomolecules are divided into four main categories as they follow. First one, carbohydrates. The second one, lipids. Third one, nucleic acids. And the fourth one is proteins. Now, our topic is carbohydrates. Now, let us go through our topic. Carbohydrates are a class of organic compounds which play a crucial role in biology and they are an important source of energy for the living organisms. When broken down, they become glucose, called as blood sugar, which is the main source of energy for the human body. The glucose can be used immediately or it can be stored for the later uses. The carbohydrates are composed of carbon, hydrogen, and the oxygen atoms, and these carbohydrates are classified based on their molecular structure and their function. The general formula is CH2O of N and the glucose C6H12O6. Now let us see the types of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are subclassified into three major types. The first one is monosaccharides, second one is disaccharides, and the third one is polysaccharides. First, Firstly, the carbohydrates, which can be divided into simpler sugar called as saccharides, and the second one is polysaccharides. The saccharides has different types like monosaccharides, disaccharides, trisaccharides, and tetrasaccharides. Firstly, let us go through monosaccharides. Monosaccharides are the simplest form of carbohydrates and it includes glucose and fructose. Monosaccharides are easily soluble in water and serve as primary source of energy for the body. Monosaccharides. Here we can see the diagram of the glucose, fructose, and the galactose. Here there is a structure for these three monosaccharides like glucose, fructose, and galactose, which were included in the respective topic. The second subclassification is disaccharides. The disaccharides are formed by the condensation of two monosaccharides and it includes sucrose, lactose, and maltose. The disaccharides are commonly found in sugar and they are broken down into monosaccharides during the process of digestion. Here the diagram will represent the disaccharide examples. Sucrose, it is a combination of glucose and fructose, and the lactose is the combination of galactose and the glucose, and the maltose is the combination of glucose and the glucose. The third subclassification of carbohydrates is polysaccharides. Polysaccharides are the long chains of monosaccharides which were linked together. They serve as storage molecules for energy, such as glycogen in animals and the starch, which is present in plants. The polysaccharides also provide structure and support, such as cellulose in plant, cell walls in animals. Here we can see the structure of the polysaccharides. There is a presence of the starch, a polysaccharide. The starch is always present in the plants and the cellulose is present in the animals. Now, let us see what is the importance of carbohydrates. The carbohydrates provide major source of energy, protein sparing actions, the breakdown of fatty acids, and it provides provides the prevention from the ketosis. It is used as a flavor and the sweetness. It is used for dietary fiber. The cellulose is used for the dietary fiber in the carbohydrates, and the carbohydrates are necessary for the proper functioning of CNS, control nervous system. Next, now let us see the function of carbohydrates in the human body. Carbohydrate oxidation provides energy. Carbohydrate storage in the form of glycogen, and it provides a short-term energy reserve. This supply carbon atoms for the synthesis of other biochemical substances like proteins, lipids, and the nucleic acids. Carbohydrates form part of structural framework of DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, and the RNA ribonucleic acid molecules. The carbohydrates linked to the lipids, these are the structural components of the cell membrane. Carbohydrates linked to the proteins function in variety of cell and the cell molecules recognition processes. Now, let us see the industrial applications of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates have a wide variety range of applications in the various industries, which includes in the food and beverage industries, the carbohydrates are widely used as the sweetness, thickness, and its stabilizers in the food, and it also used in the beverage products. They are also used as energy source in sports drink. In paramexual, the carbohydrates are used as excipients in pharmaceutical formulations to improve the stability, solubility, and bioavailability of the drugs. These are also used as a source of energy in medical nutrition products. In cosmetics, the carbohydrates are used in cosmetic products such as moisturizers, shampoos, and the conditioners to provide hydration and to improve the skin and the hair health. Biotechnology. In biotechnology, the carbohydrates are widely used in the production of biodegradable plastic, biofuels, and other renewable energy sources. In the research center, the carbohydrates are widely used as a research tools in the fields of immunology, virology, and the cellular biology. Thank you.